finally got it. I've waited for a month or so for this, and finally it's here. Let's open it up. I've been going around Reddit on the different topics in there, different types of subreddits, and yeah, if you're familiar with this brand, I've fallen into a huge rabbit hole in this, and I just have to get one, because if you've watched in my other videos linking here, you'll understand why I'm so keen to get another e-ink device. But here we are, another unboxing experience, and I'm so excited to get my hands on this and explore and experience. And yeah, let's get into it one by one. In the box, we have the main device, which is the Xteink X4 ultra thin magnetic back e-reader. And I also bought their own e-reader light. Kind of look interesting. I expect it to be smaller, but I guess it's really big. We've got that, and I'm not too sure what this is. Oh, it's a micro USB. Okay, here's what you put to plug in your computer. We've got that, and this is the casing. I bought a green casing, but this is super light, like super mint light version of green. I expected it to be darker, but that's pretty interesting. And we've got some instructions in Chinese, I believe. I'm guessing this is for the light. Kind of excited for this one. It took me a long while to really think about if I really wanted this item, because I've already gotten my Boox Palma 2, but the issue with this, if you watch any of my videos, is because of this dead pixel, and it really ruins the experience. So I kind of gotten this, which is a lot cheaper, by the way. In Singapore dollar, I got this for around 100 something, I believe, along with the other accessories as well. So it actually is a good deal. This one cost me around $300 to $400. I only spent like 2 weeks with a full good use of it without the tech pixel. But we are here with a brand new ultra thin, ultra light. Ooh. Oh wow. I actually like that. It's pretty light, and I expected it to be a lot smaller, but okay, it's not that bad actually. If I can get and make a comparison. So you can see the comparison. It is a lot smaller, but it is thinner. From what I know, this is not touchscreen. It's all buttons, and it's very tactile. I like that clickiness of it. And on the side, we've got all these buttons. Still need to explore what all these buttons do. The back is plastic, but it's not glass, but the quality is really there. Let's see what other things they have inside the box. Okay. Okay, they have an extra magnet. Quick start guide. Oh, they have a screen protector. And okay, they got 2. That's about it. And the wipe. We got all this stuff in the box. I've noticed I don't have any cable inside the box, but that's okay. We can use other type of Type-C cables as well. So let's put it on the casing. Okay. The magnet is pretty strong, so that is great. It's just nice. Still pretty thin with the casing, and also if you compare it with the casing with the Palma 2, obviously it's still a lot thinner. Well, this is way more compact than the Palma 2. I still prefer a very portable handheld e-reader, but with this small screen, I'm not too sure how my experience will be, but we will give an update on that. But so far, this is looking pretty good. It's not that obvious that it's green. It's a super light mint green, which I kind of like actually. It's completely different from the picture. Let's try to boot this up. It's fully charged, and nope, it is not touch screen. How do we move? Okay, this moves right, this moves left. That enters it. Okay, that's the back. Enter, back, left, right, right, right. Okay, and what does this do? Okay, this is pretty much the same thing. Left, right, up, down. And this one doesn't do anything. Does it shut off? Magnetic sleep? It doesn't seem like it has one. But okay, let's go to the read. No reading history. Folder. Nothing. Settings. Okay, English. Zip time. Power time. Power timer. Power screen. Okay, I still need to figure out how to use this. I think I need to upload some books inside the folder because it's empty right now. So we will figure that one out. But this has been really interesting. And what I want to do now is that how does it look like back to back with my iPhone 15 Pro? Because from what I can see online, a lot of pictures are using the Max version of iPhone, and I only have the Pro version. As you can see, it is almost the same height, and I don't think it would fit the back, but let's just see how it looks like. There's a lot of issues with the alignment of the magnet, and they say it's upside down. I'm still not too sure how this really fit. Okay, this one is holding it with some really weird angle. The magnet is not that strong. Okay, this is actually holding it okay. This angle is okay, but not this angle. So if you're reading it like this, it's still, I guess, okay, but you cannot read it like this way. It is very flimsy. The side way is okay. You can read it like this on the side or the other way around. This is actually a lot, I feel like it's a lot sturdier. I think this is just the perfect size, perfect grip for my hand. Flipping pages, I think it's just nice. So that is a situation with my phone. You really cannot use that. In the meantime, always use your e-reader with a case so that your screen is always protected. I finally figured out how to use the light. So I removed the casing, and this is how I managed to put it. So this back panel is actually magnetic, it sticks to the back of the device. Wait, let me turn off the light. Okay, that's pretty dark. And let's turn on the light. Okay, not that bad. With also different ambient light of white light. I'm not so sure how we can use it with the casing just yet, but it is a lot stronger if it's just with the X4 only. That's how it looks like at the back, and that is the light. I'm not too sure just yet how do you charge it, but in the meantime we will figure that out when it happens. Also, I kind of noticed there is actually, is this an SD card? Okay, there we go, we do have a free SD card. This is 32 gig, which is kind of perfect because they gave us like a free micro SD card reader as well that we can just put inside our computer like that, and you just plug it inside your computer, and this is where you save most of your EPUBs, PDF format, documents, books. I think even images you can put in here as well as your wallpaper for your device. So I can wait to do that. I'll give you an update in the future on how I'm going to be using this device and how would it differ on how I use with my Palma 2. So that is the unboxing of the Xteink X4. Are you gonna get one? I'm so excited to actually use this in everyday travel, so it can finally replace my very sad Boox Palma 2. Till then, bye!